Also new tonight, San Antonio Mayor Ron Nirenberg and Bexar County Judge Nelson Wolff announced the creation of what they're calling a COVID-19 health transition team. It's a team of health experts tasked with developing a plan to move our city and county out of the social distancing phase. Tiffany Huertas gives us a look at what they'll be doing.
I think the idea is to look at what we know and get expert opinion, because we don't have a whole lot of evidence at this point, right?
Dr. Junda Wu is part of the members of the new COVID-19 health transition team.
The idea is, what's the best way to reopen while minimizing the risk of more infections.
The mayor says they are looking for guidance as they make decisions moving forward.
How we relieve some of the social distancing or go back into it based on what protocols are needed, what kind of testing capacity do we need, how are we isolating folks that might turn up sick, and ensuring that we're not making these decisions arbitrarily, but we're doing so to prevent another wave of infection occurring.
The team hasn't held its first meeting yet, but the goal is to develop a health transition plan by April 27th.
A lot of what we've been doing right now is simply doing the crisis response, but there has been a national conversation now about, well, when does the economy open back up? When can businesses start running? And we know that we can't do that arbitrarily, we can't do that carelessly.
Tomorrow, Texas Governor Greg Abbott is expected to reveal his plan to reopen businesses in the state. Earlier this week, he said his plan will include ways to stimulate the economy and get people back to work, while also making sure to contain the spread of COVID-19.
The recommendations from our medical professionals is what should guide policymakers in determining how we ease out of or back into social distancing requirements.
For the 9, Tiffany Huertas.
Besides Dr. Wu, there are several other health experts who will be serving on that team. Among them, a frequent guest on KSAT News at 9 during our San Antonio Questions segments, Dr. Ruth Berggren with UT Health San Antonio.